Okay, testing audio. I don't know if I'm loud or if I am quiet. Hello, Squishling. Okay, nice. Right, so I am working on the Discord bot, as you can quite clearly see. Up it. Okay, I can up it. Tell me when it goes too loud, because that can turn to an issue. Alright, I have upped it. Okay. So, that should be working. No, that's working now. I think this is all good. Oh no, we need to add. Okay, what commands do I have? We have this one, which I'm not saying what the prefix is. Yeah, I thought it was quite loud. I mean, OBS says I'm in red. I'm over red, is what it says. So that's a thing, I suppose. But yeah, I'm not saying what the prefix for this is because I haven't done it yet. Still work in progress on that one. Yeah, the embed builder is reasonably simple. It's just you create it, set the title, set the color, and then you just add the fields, and then you send it once it's built. So yeah, I'm using JDA, which is a really useful library, and allows you to do it in Java. I'll just turn it down a bit, because I can see how it could be a bit too loud. There we go. Yeah, so I'm doing it in Java because I can't be bothered to learn JavaScript, and it's a pain in the arse on Python. So I figured Java would be the best way to go, and I'm more fluent in Java than other languages, so it's all good. So one command I wanted to work on was the unmute, because I have a mute but I don't have an unmute, which is kind of stupid. I probably should have worked on that first. And I think I might have to fix reacting to the message thing. I think this one works, but I'm not sure because no one's joined. Well, I don't know if it adds the member role. I know it sends the welcome message, but I don't know if it adds the role. So that's something I've got to test. But we'll look at that later. I just wanted to try and make the unmute command first because that makes more sense to me. Yeah, you can leave and then rejoin, and we can get that tested. But yeah, unmute command. So let's go into my commands and create a new class. Eclipse is being really slow today. I think it's because of that weird garbage collector thing, which I managed to get rid of, but it seems to be slowing it down a bit. I don't know what happened there, but it's odd little thing. So obviously I'm going to have this called unmute command. My mic's in a really odd place right now. I don't know where to put it. Is the bot online? The bot's not online actually. Let me. I will put it online now while I haven't got anything changed. There we go. So now the bot's online. No, I've not let you generate invites. So obviously this needs to extend a listener adapter, just so that we can, obviously listen to the messages and whatever. There's actually a lot of things you can have in here. All these different events. There's so many of them. I don't think I'm ever going to use most of them. But it's pretty cool. Like, there's a lot. I don't see when you would ever use half of these, but they're pretty cool. But we just want on guild message received. Just like that. We need we can probably just copy the mute command actually, like everything in here, can't we? Which means I've already set most of it up. I didn't even need that. There we go. And then we can just change that to unmute. We don't really need the log. That's kind of stupid. If you're unmuting, you don't need it to log it. So I will just remove that. Therefore, we don't really need a reason. So it's just the member that we need. Yep, that's fine. Don't need that anymore. So I think there is guild.remove role from member. Yeah, remove role from member. We can just get rid of that. That should be fine. So the target, and then the role, because obviously that's a list of roles, so we have to get the index of 0, and then we can just queue it. Always have to queue, otherwise it just won't do it. Anything else we need to be worrying about? Don't need reason, because that won't exist. We won't have the second argument. So this just needs to go down to 2. Change that to unmute. Oh, not capitals, thank you. Anything else we just need to get rid of? Kick members, that's the right permission. I think that should be fine. So I'm just going to go ahead and restart the bot. And did it give him the role? It did. It gave him the member role. That's good. Okay. Should probably have some more prints, because I actually got rid of them all. But I think it's kind of useful just to have them anyways. Alright, so let's run. And we will see what we can do. So I'll just bring Discord over. Whoa, I've never had Discord on this screen before. It's looks a lot bigger. It's very strange. So if we go to bot commands, and what was the command? Unmute. Okay, so I'm going to need to mute someone first. Let's mute. Who should we mute? I need to mute someone who's going to attempt to send a message. So probably Squishling, because he always sends messages. And then I'll give the reason as speaks. I need to fix the reason. That's one thing I need to fix, because if the reason has spaces, it doesn't work. So I will just put speaks too much. Oh, okay, that's something we need to fix then. Okay, why does it say that then? Let's push Discord back. So here, this shouldn't be getting run. So it removes the muted, so that's not the right one, is it? It's this one. So why is this not working? No, you're not higher than me. I thought I fixed this, but maybe I didn't. I don't have the member role, no. Okay. And he does. Oh, wait. I think I might know. And it's to do with the order that I have on the roles. Because I've put the... Yeah, I've put the muted role above the my role, haven't I? Oh no, I put it above administrator, which is, yeah. Okay, that needs to go below administrator, because we don't need to mute an administrator. Victor isn't going to do anything. If he does, then rip. Alright, now let me try again. So obviously I'm going to want to mute Squishling because he speaks a lot. Or not. Okay, oh yeah, I didn't restart the bot. What a noob I am. Okay, let's just grab this before it disappears. Oh no, it won't disappear, will it? Why is it doing this then? Because that's the right... Mute requires a reason. It has a reason. Do we need a reason for mute? Maybe. Okay, so this is something I need to be figuring out then, isn't it? So it turns out I just can't mute Squishling. Let me try and mute someone else. Who else can I mute? No one else speaks that much. Let me try and mute Maroon. Maybe that will work. Okay then. So, okay. It's just Squishling. Okay. Okay. Now, if I can't use the unmute command, then these people are going to be muted for a while. Did that unmute him? It did not unmute him. Why did that not unmute him? Where's this little... Screw it, those warnings. Why didn't it unmute? Okay, so it tries that. But it didn't do that. So, okay, let me just remove the muted roles. Oh, I removed his member. It's not what I meant to do. Should I keep Squishling muted? I might just keep him muted. Maybe. Oh, I have a ping. That's interesting. I think maybe mic muted speak here. Because they can't send messages. Member can. Everyone can. So mic muted. Maybe it's category permissions. Muted cannot send messages. Why was that? Okay, that's something I'll have to figure out. I don't know. That's very strange. Okay, let me try and mute him again, and we can test if it's just this channel. So if he tries to speak again now, and then we'll get him to try and speak in these other channels. I'm kind of hoping it's just this channel. But not. Definitely not. So it's got to be something to do with the category. Huh. Yeah, because it's not to do with the channel. Muted. Oh, is it because maybe we need to remove his member role? Because member allows him to speak. Okay. So we'll have to remove his member role and add the muted role. And then when we unmute, yeah, let's do that. I think that'll work. So when we mute, where's that? There it is. We want to do guild dot remove role from member target, and it wants to be guild dot get role by name. Want to get member. Ignore case is false, and obviously we just need to get 0.q. Okay, now we can try again, but let's just unmute him. Hey, no one's muted, are they? Just to make sure nothing happened. Nope. Okay. I should probably be testing this on my test server, but I can't really be doing that. Because that won't really work. Because it's only not working on my server. Okay. Let's load this up. Here we go. Okay. So now I'm going to mute Squishling. Oh, not colon, Squishling. Squishling test. Okay, and he's lost the member role. So hopefully, hello, crewwit. I probably said that totally wrong. But hello. Okay, so supposedly, Squishling can no longer type in anywhere. Well, he can type, but he can't message. Or actually send it, I mean. Which is good. That's what we wanted. So now I obviously need to... oh, hello, Victor. Let's remove his muted and add his member back. There we go. Oh, he can still type here. Was that because I added his rollback, though, at the exact same time? I might need to make it so everyone cannot type anywhere. I think I can do that for... I can do that per category. We can let them read the message history, I suppose. That'll be fine, won't it? And then they can read text channels. But we don't want them to do anything else. Like that. Am I going to need to do that per channel? I think I am, aren't I? What happens if I sync? Okay, and then member... Yeah, that's right. Muted can't. Okay, so yeah, I can just sync. Yeah, the permissions are synced. So it was just server challenges where the permissions weren't synced. I think that's probably why. Okay, so now he's muted. He has no role other than muted. So we'll see if he can send a message anywhere. Oh, ping in hashtag. What? Wait, what? That's a bit of an issue, isn't it? Yeah, we don't want that. That's a a very big issue if they can send messages there. Yeah, let's just remove all of those. And actually, we've got muted. Muted can't send messages here either. Read, not send. Read, not send. Here we go. Member can't send anything, can they? No. Oh, and here. Okay. There's probably more channels he can send messages in that he's not telling me about, so that if he gets muted, then I won't know until someone sends a message. Okay, member can't. Good. Administrator can, of course, because we're cool. Now, anywhere else? He shouldn't be able to see this channel. No, he can't see this. But obviously we can keep that. What? This is so strange. Okay. Yeah. Yep. I think this is probably the only big issue. I think this is probably causing a lot of issues in the server, and why a lot of the commands aren't working. It's probably due to this. Get rid of that. Yep, they can do that. Do that. Not do that. Not do that. Save. Okay, I expected this one because I literally just created this channel. So muted, cannot do anything other than read. Same as all the others. Okay, you should be able to see the moderator chat. So that's hopefully a thing anyways. Oh, but everyone can still do these. So let's do that. I'll have to add the member one so that members can though. Then let me add member. Member cannot do that, not do that, not do that. It can do that, do that, do that, not do that. Do that, do that, do that, not do that, do that, do that. Okay, I think that's all the channels. Oh, what's this one? Oh. That's why. I wish I could just, you know, have a preset and just choose a preset. I think that'd be a lot easier. But I can't do that. Yep. Let me just add the muted role. This isn't even creating a bot. This is just changing roles. This is not very interesting whatsoever. And I'm also extremely bored by it. Yeah, I can, but certain channels need to be different. I think all the members should be able to still type and stuff. Yeah, I think that's all of them. He should. Can he still type in here? I don't know. Hopefully not. Victor created this one, so did he? Okay, he did. Good. Well done. But yeah, we can't really do it for the whole group because yeah, I'll just unmute him and let him go around doing stuff, seeing where he can type. Alright, so I think that's fine. Did we actually test the unmute? I don't think we even tested the oh no, because we didn't add the role back in the unmute. So we're removing the role, and then we want to do guild.add role to target, and then guild.get role by ID, member, false dot get 0 dot wait, get role by ID, no, get role by name. Role by name, or is it get roles by name? Okay, just cue that. There we go. Stop the pings. Okay, good. The information one. Wait, information. I thought we had. Oh yeah, we could for the information one. That's a good point. Right, see ya, Victor. Yeah, that's a good point, but it's fine, we've already done it now. I never actually did this poll, and I need to remove all of Squishling's messages from these channels, which he managed to send them in. Surprised he didn't manage to do announcements and general information though. I suppose I might as well do this poll. What emoji should I have for Java edition? Java. I'll have learn Java, and then I'll have or Minecraft Bedrock. Oh lord. What on earth do I have for Minecraft Bedrock edition? Bed. There we go. That'll do. And then it should Yeah, there we go. And then I can vote. I don't actually know. Because I don't really play Minecraft that much now. I don't play Java Edition. I do play Bedrock Edition. I think I have to choose Bedrock Edition. Alright. Okay, so let me close this down. Let me run again. Oh. I knew Scrishling wouldn't be happy about that. Alright. So now one last try. I'm going to mute Scrishling again because he said boo. Oh no, he has to go. That's no good. I will mute. Wait. When did this person join? Huh. Because it didn't say anything. I could have had the bot offline though. That's what I thought. Okay. I'll mute Cobble. Okay, and then let me just check he has the right roles. Yeah, he has muted. And then unmute Cobble. Did that work? It didn't do anything. Why didn't it do anything? Why didn't it do anything? I don't understand. Why is it totally ignoring this? And this, for that matter. Because it's not doing either of them. Anyone have any ideas? If so, please tell me. See, why does this work, but this doesn't? That's very strange. I suppose I could just copy this and then replace this and just switch this to member and switch this to muted. Let me try that. That might work. There you go. Who should I mute this time? Doesn't really matter, I suppose, because they don't need to be sending a message, because I know that that part works now. So I'm gonna mute Ilja. There we go. He's muted, and we need to make sure it also removes the artist role. That's something we need to check. And then unmute Ilja. Interesting. Why doesn't it like to do... Is that the command that I put? I did, I put unmute. Why is it not like that? Is it because of this? That should be... No, that should be right. Let me try some sysouts. Unmuted. Okay, just to check if it gets that one. It shouldn't be doing either of these two. Maybe it's not even getting into this if statement. No, it has to be, because otherwise it would send this. So it's got to be to do with this one. Okay, yeah, let's try that then. Who should we mute this time? Let's mute Desi, because I've already tried Ildra. But now I might as well just do Desi, because why not? They're getting unmuted straight after. I probably should have just stuck with one person, otherwise everyone's going to be getting a ping. That's something I didn't think of. I'll mute Ildra. And then unmute at Ildra. Doesn't work. Did it print it? It didn't print it. Actually, I can probably do this in my test server, can't I? I think that should work. Because I don't have a member role in here. So why didn't it print it then? So it's not doing that one because it doesn't send that message. Oh, I'm so stupid. I didn't add it to the... I'm so stupid. That might be why it's not working, you know. Why didn't I think of that? It's so obvious. It's literally beyond obvious. Why did I not think of that? I don't even need this out because I know that's what it was. I'm just too stupid. I kind of want to see if I can mute myself, but I don't think I can. At least I shouldn't be able to. No, I could have just had an alt account in the server, couldn't I? That would have been better. Who doesn't care about pings? Someone in this server doesn't care about pings. Is Shane in this server? He is not. Okay. I'll do cookie. Oh, reason. Of course. Of course. Didn't think about reason. Okay, cookie's muted. And then we unmute There we go. It works. Whippy-doo. Isn't that nice? Now we've just got to fix the artist part. I don't know how we check what roles they have. Maybe just if target. Okay. Can we do target dot get roles? Okay, and what does that return? Does that just return a list of roles? Okay, list of role. So list of roles is equal to that. Just import role. It should be the entity. Yeah, there you go. Okay, and then if roles dot contains guild dot get roles by name, and then we just get 0 false. So if it contains, is it artist or artists? That's a good question. It's artist, okay. Yeah. So if it contains artist, then we want to do guild dot add role to member, target guild dot get roles by name, artist, and then false because we're fine with the case. Get the 0 like that, and then we can just copy that for the mute. So down here, add that there, and then remove role instead. Oh wait, no, because we need to know if they no, that's not going to work, because we need to know if they had the artist role. How would we do that? If we create a public static array inside of here, it doesn't have to be static actually. If we create an array of roles that they have in here before they are muted, then you can probably get rid of the role. No, we can get rid of the yeah, that work. Okay, so let's create a public static final list of roles is equal. No, that's not going to work. We could create a hash map, and then it could be a member, and then their list of roles. I don't really remember how to use hash maps. How does one use hash maps? I don't remember. I think I haven't used a hash map in so long. Is it just a hash map? And then member, comma, list of roles is equal to a new hash map. Hash map. Yeah. Is that right? I think that's right. And do we have to pass this into here? I think so. I don't think we have to, but otherwise it's raw, isn't it? I think that'll work. And then down here we can just do roles dot. Now, how do we add to a hash map? Oh, yeah, put, of course. And then target. I suppose we can just put artist in there. If we Oh, I'm trying to think how I can do this. No. Okay, we've got to have this before it adds the muted role, though. Otherwise, it will think that it contains muted. Okay, so we can just have role, can't we, here, instead of a list of roles. I think that'll be better. Because we only want to do artist role. So, artist. We could just have an integer for whether it's an artist or not. Whether they have an artist. No, because it would still need to be a hash map, so there's no point. Yeah. Yeah, that's right, isn't it? I think. We'll find out. So, if it contains artist, then we want to do roles dot put. No, it's not roles, it's artist dot put target. Then again, if they get muted, maybe they should just have to do the command themselves, because that's kind of, if they got muted, it's for an obvious reason. So maybe I should make them do the command again to get it back. I don't think, if they get muted, I suppose they kind of deserve that. But we would still have to remove the role from them, so it's going to be the same anyways. Yeah, and then we can just have guild.get roles by name artist. Yeah, so then that's got the member and that's got the artist. Then I think that will change if I reset the bot. That's something I still need to figure out, but restarting the bot is going to be an issue. I have to turn my computer off every night, otherwise it'll just it doesn't like being on for long amounts of time. So I still need to figure out how I can actually keep the bot on. That's something I'll have to figure out. Maybe I can run it as a jar, and then I can do that through like I don't know, some sort of update thing. But that's unrelated, anyways. So then in unmute we can do if mute command dot artist dot contain yeah, I could probably host it somewhere. I don't know where though. I don't really know much about bots. I don't know. It's probably some sort of bot hosting thing. Just called bot hosting. You probably have to pay for it. I'm gonna be like, I'm like 99% sure you'll have to pay for it. Hosting your own Discord bot is the way to go. 2 hours. Oh my lord. So what? How does this work? Let me just look at this for a second. It has to do with GitHub. That's kind of smart. You still have to pay for it though. I think. Yeah. You know, I prefer to have a free hosting, but I don't think that's going to be possible. So, yeah, that's fine. I don't know. I'll figure that out. Okay. So I want to check. I think I can check if it contains the member and yeah, so if it contains the key, which is the target, and mute command dot artist dot contains value guild dot get roles by name. Yeah, we can just take this. Guild dot get roles by oh, what did I do there? Yeah, so then if it contains the artist role and the key. Yeah, so if it contains the member and artist role, then I think could we do like key dot could we get the index of the key? I don't know how we would do that. I'm not really thinking straight right now. I've got to be honest. What's happening here? Alright, let me just finish this. Probably gonna have to go for food in a minute anyways. Yeah, so if it contains the member and artist, I suppose if it just contains the member, then we know that they're an artist, right? So can we actually just have a list of members? We can, can't we? I think I'm just being quite stupid, aren't I? I think we can just have a list of members like that. Array list. Let's just import that. And then we have a list of members. And then we can do artist dot add target. Right, and then we can do if mute command dot artist dot contains target. Then we can just do, first we can remove it, so mute command dot artist dot remove. We can remove the target, and then we can do guild. Yeah, we can just copy this actually, can't we? We can just add the artist. I think that should work. Obviously we're gonna have to test it with an artist. What did I just do? Yeah, there you go. So we need an artist to test it on. But I think that should work fine. Okay, let me just look at this. We can try and do it on stream, shall we? Requires 3 arguments. Event handler must require a single argument. Yeah, that's easy. Let me have a look. Right, I'll just bring this over. We can just do this on the stream because this isn't going to take 2 seconds. I'm just trying to find the line number so that I can tell them. I know what the issue is. It's because you put more than one argument for a subscribe event for a method with an @subscribe event annotation. There you go. If he knows Java, he'll understand that. Or should, anyways. My explaining is probably quite awful too, though. Well, it is actually. It's not. Could be. It just is. Right, so Desi's an artist. I'll use him. Mute @Desi. Okay, let me just move this back over so I can see the stream. Okay, so we want to mute him for testing reasons. That didn't remove his artist role. Why didn't it do that? Let's see. Where's the mute command? There it is. Did I get it to remove the artist role? I didn't. Okay, that's why. Yeah, I just need this right there. Artist. Okay, let's restart the bot. We should be okay. Okay, so we want to mute @Desi. Oh, I didn't put test. Wait, did that actually mute him? It didn't. Okay. Sorry, Desi, for the many pings. But you are the only artist that is online. Yeah, there we go. And then we can do unmute @Desi. And he gets artist and member back. There you go. I don't know why I'm really happy with that, because that was very simple actually. I just tried to overcomplicate it. Okay, now let me... Do we have Dino? We do. Okay, I'm just going to purge 500. That should probably clear this channel, doesn't it? Maybe? Doesn't quite clear the channel, but that should. Or not. Dino. Purge 50. See, Dino doesn't work, so I think I'm going to have to create my own purge command. I think that should be really simple. I think. Yeah, I think my own purge command should be reasonably simple. I haven't really thought about it before, but I think it just, yeah, I don't know the exact kind of all the methods there is, but I think it should be simple, so let's just do it. I don't want to call it purge, or should I call it purge? Let's see, synonyms of purge. What else can I call it? Purge, purify, wash. Let's wash. I think that's going to be very nice. Right, so I can do wash command extends listener adapter. Might as well just copy which one's going to be the closest now. Kick, maybe. Alright, we don't need to log. So we can just remove that. Yeah, we don't need that. We don't actually need the try. We do need to check that they have the kick permission. Wait, no, we need to check manage message actually. So if they don't have permission, so manage message, message manage, that's it. We can remove that one, and we don't want that one. We're going to have wash. I like that very much. We can have this in any channel, but obviously we do need to check that it's me doing the command. We don't need either of those. You do not have permission to use this command. What else? Anything else we don't need? We don't need self-member. But this needs to be member, I think. Yeah. And then mention members. That's always going to be empty, so you can just have that. So if that's 0, invalid usage, so that's going to be wash. And instead of user, we want number of messages, like that. So we don't need mentioned members. What else? Anything else we need to change? Don't think so. So now we can actually start adding stuff. So if the first one's wash, that's fine. Okay. So then we can do if. Okay, let's think. Do we want to try instead of not sure. Do we want to try catch, or do we just want to if? I'm trying to think of what error could come out. If they don't put an integer, because we're going to want to cast to an integer. So if they don't put an integer, then we have the casting error. I don't remember what that is, what the exception is, but yeah, so maybe, yeah, let's try that. So try, and then we want to, I keep trying to put except here because Python, but it's not, it's catch, which is really always throwing me off. So we don't know what we're catching on yet, because I'm not actually sure. Yeah, so let's not have that yet. Let's just do the if first. So if args.length is equal to 1, 2, I think. Wait, args.length, what is 0? 0 is, would 0 be this, or would 0 be, I suppose 0 would have to be that, wouldn't it? And then this is 1. I always get really confused with like dot length and you know, like args. I know args 0, so argument 0, that would be this, and then args 1 is this. I don't know how that relates to length though, because does that mean that 0 is this and 1 is this, the same as args, like that? I know that's just simple Java stuff, but I always get really confused with it, so I always get it the wrong way around. I think it's just length is 2, but then why am I checking for 0 up here? It must be 1. I don't know, it's something we can change if it's wrong. So if it's 1, maybe if it's not 1. If it's not 1, then we do that, and then then we can just have else, can't we? So if they do have that permission and the args.length is 1, then it will do this, won't it? Because that's the opposite of both of those. So yeah, that'll be fine. Yeah, that's fine. So else we want to do, what do we want to do? I suppose int amount is equal to args well, we're going to need to cast to an int of args 1. From string to int. Why can we not cast from string to int? We can cast from string to int, can't we? Or do you have to do something different, don't you? Am I being stupid? Because I'm sure you can cast a string to an integer. String amount, and then we can go int amount is equal to int of amount, can't we? Oh yeah, we can't call it amount though. No, we can't convert a string to an int. Okay. No, I'm sure you can cast a string to an int, just not that way. Pass int, that's it. Okay. Am is equal to integer dot pass integer dot pass int args 1. Okay, but we're going to need to just try that, aren't we? So that will need to be try that, and we're going to have to accept a value error. Let me see. Actually, I think a value error. We'll see. Is that right? No. Anyway, yeah, let's try that. Oh, we haven't registered it, have we? Have we? No. JDA dot add event listener new wash command. I'll just try it in bot commands anyways for now. So wash 500. That'll. I'm so stupid. I really am. Okay, wash, yes. Okay, so that says invalid usage. Let me try again. Wash, yes. Number format exception. Okay. try. Catch number format exception. So if it's not, we probably want to send error message channel member, and we're going to need to put integer. Yeah, that's right, that's fine. Did I restart the bot? Oh, I did. Nice. And then wash 500. We shouldn't get an error or anything. Okay, good. So then we can have let's see, list of, is it like a list of message? List of message is equal, no, list of messages is equal to channel dot get equal to channel dot purge messages. Is there just a channel dot purge message? Because how are we meant to get the IDs? How do we get the IDs? So they have purge messages. Okay, entities, yes. Okay, so we just want channels.purge messages. But where, how can we get the messages that we want to purge? For int, hold up, for int I is equal to 0, I is less than amount I plus plus. And then can we do channel.purge messages channel, we can get the latest message, can't we? Purge message by ID. Okay, so I think that might work. Does that work? Wait, let me just move him to help support 1. Okay. I think that's it, isn't it? What's it gonna do if it runs out of messages, though? That's something we can test, I suppose. Okay, so we're just gonna wash 5. It removed 1. It might have removed 2. 500. It's washing 2, I think. Don't get latest message ID. Okay, so hold up. In here, I need if channel dot has latest message. Then we want to do that. Otherwise, obviously, that's not going to work. Else, we just want to return. Dead code. Dead code? How dare you tell me that's dead code? Oh, I see why, because, yeah. Oopsies. Can't return there. But we need to return there. And we can return there. Yeah. Let's try again. Why? Oh, I think it's... Is it because the message is being deleted? Maybe. No, it shouldn't be, actually. Because that variable is still stored there. Okay, hold up. Let me see how many messages it gets rid of. So I'm just going to do wash 5, okay? So we've got these 2 right there. It only removed that 1, didn't it? Okay. Dot get. Maybe purge messages by ID isn't gonna work. Delete message by ID. Channel dot get latest message ID. Maybe channel dot get latest message ID is wrong. I think that's probably quite likely. That just didn't do anything. Okay. Wait, maybe guild has something. Guild dot delete. No, it needs to be channel. Can we not just delete message for a certain amount? Like, I would have thought this would work. Okay, if anyone knows how to purge messages, then tell me, because it doesn't want to. We do have purge messages, but that doesn't work. I don't know why. Yeah, because it's purge message by ID. So why doesn't that then go through all of them? So I is equal 0. I is less than amount. I plus plus. So I don't know. I might have to give up with this one. Unless any bots have... Maybe there is some open source bots. Is Dino open source? Dino's not open source, is he? I just want to see how they do it. And in fact, Dino would have to be written in JDA as well. Yeah. I don't know. Wait. It looks like this exists. And then I can just change this to amount. And then actually we don't need to even loop. Do we? No, we don't need to. So it will retrieve the past amount, and then channel dot purge messages of messages. Let's try that. That might work. We're about to find out. What's 50? Hey, there you go. That looks like way more than 50 though. I can tell you that for sure. That was a lot more than 50. I think. Maybe? Was that more than 50? I put 50, didn't I? Did I put 50? Let me see. Let's try purge 5. Oh. Wash 5. I don't know if that's 5 or not. Wash. Okay, let's wash 1. Okay, and then that, that's fine. Okay. Now if I wash 3, it should remove wash you mean. Yes, it works. So now I can just... So what happens if I overwash though? Between 1 and 100. Okay. So wash 100. Nice. Wash 100. Wash 99. Oh no, it's removing them now. Okay, it was just a bit laggy, I think. Oh, that's actually really cool. That was really cool. I don't know how that just happened, but that was really cool. And it's just going to remove these any second. I think. Is it going to remove them? Did I get an error? I only got that error. That's because I did more than 100. I should probably have a little error message thing for that. Yeah, that would be a bit of an issue if they could use that command. That would be... So why can't I wash these ones then? That's very interesting. Let's just wash 100. It doesn't want to wash past these ones, does it? Why doesn't it remove those ones? I'm only whacking my finger, by the way. I'm not like stabbing myself or anything, just so you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then wash 8. Oh, I think the bot's struggling. Nice. Okay, now I'm just gonna go add this to the little command list, and I'll also add unmute, and then that's probably going to be the end of this stream. So builder dot add field. Oh no, not add blank field. That's kind of boring. Add field. I just do a new field, but you don't need to do a new field. You can just have the 2 strings and the boolean, but I don't know why I'm adding 2 fields. Why I'm adding a field, because you can put a field inside a field inside a field inside a field, so you don't need to, but I just do, so deal with it. So yeah, and then first we have, I'll just do wash. We want delete all let me just do that just in case. Okay, so yeah, delete the specified number of messages no more than 100. And then that needs to be, you must have the manage messages privilege. I probably spelt privilege wrong. I can't spell. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's not spelled like that at all. You must have the manage messages privilege. Okay, so that's that. And then we'll have unmute. So this one's just for me, because obviously no one else can actually do these. And then unmute. I might as well put wash at the top as well, I suppose, because that's kind of with the ones which no one else can use. I need to add more ones that people can use though. So and then you must have the kick privilege. You must have the kick privilege. That doesn't look right. So I'm just gonna do a quick replace. Oh no, it was fine. It was fine. Unmute a member. There we go. Yeah, I need to figure out this one, but that's fine. And then I also do need to add the portal command to here, but I haven't done that yet. So you lot can wait for that. That'll be soon. Yeah, that's fine. I don't know if I just restarted or not, but I'm going to restart again. And there we go. Okay, so now we can do help. Yeah, I wish you could extend this box, but you can't, so yeah. Alright, now I want to do one more command. Oh, let me just remove this, because I hate my warnings, okay? They're very annoying, and I can't deal with them. So we're going to have one more. And this is just a fun command, anyone can do this. And that's just, I kind of just read it, and I thought it was kind of funny. Kill command. And that's going to extend listener adapter. And on guild message received. Okay. I have a good idea for this one. I'm just going to copy kick command. Okay, just like that. Okay, and we're going to remove these, the hierarchy one. We don't need permissions at all. Yeah, so if they can't interact with the target, no, because I don't know what that means. Yeah, we'll just remove that. We are going to log, but that's going to be slightly different, I think. Let's just move this over here. One second. Okay, so now we can have, yeah, so we'll have date, we'll have time. Now I want to do the color thing, which I've done before. So, public color. So this is going to be public color. Choose color. Okay, and I'm just going to go into, I need to go into this, so I'm going to have to switch screens so that you cannot see it. Let's see, there it is. Let's just copy that. There we go. And then we return color. So this is just a piece of code which I got, and basically it chooses a pastel color, a random pastel color. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So then we can just have set color to choose color. I'm just going to put this at the top. Oh, not like that. Actually, no, I think we can have it down there. I think that's fine. So it does that, and then builder dot, oh no, wait, go back. We want those. Yeah, and we don't want that. Okay, so builder dot add field, add field. True. Okay, so we can have, how did we do it for the kick command? We did. How did we do it? Okay. Member killed, and then killer. Maybe we don't need the killed actually. So we can just have the killed like that. Yeah, That's fine. .kick. No, we don't want that. It's very important we don't have that. Reason. Yeah. Okay. So we can have builder.add field killed.get as mentioned. And then reason. So then I think that's fine. Is that fine? I think so. Yeah, and then we can just have log. So we can have the person that's killed, which is the target, the reason, and the channel. So the reason, yeah, 2. So the argument is kill, the user, and the reason. And just give that a save. We can get rid of member, can we? Can we get rid of member? I think so. Get rid of member. We can get rid of. Yeah, we need to remove the message ID. Message. So we can do channel.delete message by ID. Yes, and then ID. And obviously Q. So we're actually going to delete it before we log it. I think that's better. There we go. Is that going to work? I think that's going to work. Alright, let's give this a try. Who should we kill? Let's kill Maroon. Kill Maroon. So it's going to be like maroon shaded was oh wait, hold up. How are we going to get the string that's after the mention? Because that's only going to say was, isn't it? Because that's going to be like shaded was. Wait, hold on, that didn't even work anyways because I put kick. Whoopsies, that could have been really bad. Okay. How can we get the text that is after? So basically any argument that is after 0, right? No, any argument that is after, so 2 or greater. How can we do that? Maybe, yeah, so we can have string reason, and we're just going to have that as a string like that. And then we can maybe have so we can have for int I is equal 2 I no I plus plus. Can we just have that? We can't have that, can we? I is equal to I plus plus because we need I is less than. Hold on, I'm really not thinking right now. Wait. I'm thinking. Gotta think. I can't think. Okay, let me just remove this again. for int I is equal to, let's just do I is less than 100, it doesn't really matter, I plus plus. No, because it's gotta be the amount of args that there is. So we can just have args.length, actually, can't we? Args.length, there you go. -2 for these, to account for these. So we can do, oh, we actually haven't registered the command either, have we? Have we? No, we haven't. JDA dot add event listener, new kill command. I'll add it to the help later. So we don't need a kit command anymore. So, and we can do reason dot, now join. There's a new string composed of copy. So I think dot join, I think. Or we can concat, actually, can't we? Yeah, we can concat of args of I. Okay, let's try that. So the bot's gone offline. Okay, so we're going to try it on maroon again. Was crushed by an asteroid. I don't know why I'm choosing this. It just sounds pretty cool. And scat. Oh, that's not what was meant to happen. Let's see, why did it do that? So firstly, the title is report. That's not right, we don't want that. So let's fix that. So yeah, it sets the color, that's right. Killed as mentioned. Dot gets. No, maybe not killed as mentioned then. What is it? Let's look at the kick command. What does that do? So get as mentioned obviously isn't right, is it? Get nickname, that will do. No, get as mentioned, that should be fine. No? I mentionable. Receive a mention for this entity. No, that should be right. And then reason. So obviously the reason's not right then. And then yeah. What the hell? Wait, what's it doing? Huh? What's it doing? Why is it sending that? Okay. Let's shut you off. I don't know what we have the title as. Okay, but we can have like a little colon here, cause Target's the right one. Get as mentioned obviously isn't right. Let's try get nickname. Let's try that. Who should we kill this time? Should we kill Maroon? Let's kill Maroon. Oh, that thrown a massive error. What happened here? Both name and value must be set. Wait, where? They are. What do you want? What? Both name and value must be set. Yeah, they are. What? Wait. They both are set. Reason is should at least be was. Oh, I had the stream off. I didn't even see what was going on here. Welcome everyone to the stream. Everyone who's joined, welcome everyone. Yeah, I'm just creating a Discord bot for my server. It's going to do some fun stuff. Right now we're trying to make a kill command, so you can pretend to kill someone. It's not really working though, because why is it saying this? That's a good point. I can debug it, can't I? You know, I haven't even thought of that. And yet you come here for 1 second and you instantly think of it. How does that work? Right. Should tell me to go into the little mode. Maybe. No? Okay. I'll do it then. Alright. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm so bad with debug mode. Alright, who should we kill this time? Shall we kill... Let's kill Maroon. I'm just going to put test as the thing. Test. I'm going to put test, okay? I didn't put a breakpoint. I should probably put a breakpoint, shouldn't I? Yeah, let me put a breakpoint. So where's it saying? 68. Okay, 68. Yeah, this one. Okay, let's set a breakpoint there. And let's set a breakpoint there. Okay. Try again. Oh no, I meant to go in debug mode, you stupid. Alright, who should we kill this time? I don't know, who should we kill? I think we should kill... I don't know. If no one comes up with any suggestions, then I think I'm gonna have to kill Maroon. Let's... Let's kill... I'm gonna kill Victor. Test. Or maybe I should kill Maroon. No, I'll kill... I can kill Maroon later. It didn't stop on the breakpoint, okay? Fair enough. Wait, what's this? What are you? Step, yes, use, maybe. I don't know. I'm going back to the normal workspace. I can't be dealing with all this debug stuff. What's wrong with this? Hold up, I'm gonna go on my test server real quick. Okay, and I'm just gonna kick Cookie. Okay. Let me make sure the bot's running, of course. I think I'm just being a noob at Java, to be honest. Okay, so kicked user is Cookie, kicker is TurtyBot. Okay, that's actually wrong. Why is it saying TurtyBot? Let's see. Why is it saying TurtyBot? Because that's not right. I suppose I better just fix that because that shouldn't be difficult. TurtyBot. I'm totally missing where this is. It's in log. Yeah, that's why. So it needs to be member. There we go. Okay. Let me try false. It could be that the inline is wrong. So get nickname, that's a string. And that takes a string and a string and a boolean. Okay, let's kill someone. Let's kill... Oh, did I restart? I don't think I restarted. I'll restart again. Is it restarted? It has. Okay. Shall we kill Squishling or Maroon or... That's a good point. I actually didn't think of that. You could just kind of take the token ID. Yeah, let me just I'm just gonna delete that. Let's just shut the bot off real quick. Should be a pretty simple thing. Discord bot developer portal. I think getting a new token ID is quite easy, isn't it? Is that it? No, that's not it. Bot. Okay, let's see. Regenerate. Yes, do it. Okay, so I need to remember to not be showing the main class. It's a little stupid me. Okay. So I'm very confused. I very much am. I could just kill both of these people. Couldn't I? Yeah, I'm just looking through messages. Okay. Oh, I could kill Squishling. Anyway, I need to figure out why it's doing this anyways. Yeah, let me do that. Let's kill Squishling. Okay. Squishling was. Okay. Sure. Squishling was. Right, so that's because I put this. So this isn't working. How to get this to work? That's a good question. Okay, so are we doing this right? So it's less than, so that would make it 1. So that would be args 1. So I see why that's not working if they only have that few values. So let's try it with multiple more. So let's try kill Squishling again. Test. No, it's still Squishling was. Why? Why is it doing that? Maybe concat just doesn't work. What does join take? No, it doesn't like join, does it? Reason dots. What else can you do to join a string? You can't really. I think concat is basically the only way, or the best way at least. It should be still I is less than args. Oh yeah! Okay, I am stupid. args, yeah, args.length. Yeah, I don't, yeah. I am big stupid. Alright, I think I'm gonna try kill Squishing again. So let me just move Discord over. Test, 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 test. Squishling was. Still says Squishling was. Can we just have string reason? It has to equal something, doesn't it, realistically? Right, I'm gonna kill Maroon because he said he wants to die. So I'm gonna kill him. Did that even do anything? Wait, I think I did it wrong.
Right, have you got your phone upstairs?
No. Alright, what is this madness? Why is it not logging it? Oh, it's back to this again. Oh. That's because I... Wait. Why is it back to that again? Oh, because it's an empty string. Okay, I'm sorry about that. I am back. My mum wanted to take a picture. Yeah, very interesting. And she insisted that she had to do it right now. So, whatever. But yeah. Where were we? Someone suggested something, but where did they suggest it? And I thought it was a really good idea, but I don't know where they suggested it. But they said something. Yes, reason plus equals args of I. So reason plus equals args of I. Well, I actually didn't put the I in, but I think that's probably right. Because we don't want the whole list in there, of course. Okay, so let's try that. And let's give that a run. Wait, was there... Okay, there wasn't. We'll run again then. Okay, so I'm gonna kill... I'm gonna kill... Who should I kill? I'm gonna kill... I don't know who I want to kill. Who do I want to kill? Oh, it's decided to not work anymore. Ah, yes, because... why is it doing that? I don't understand why it does that. Oh, maybe... Oh, maybe that's why. I'm not even going to try and pronounce this, because I can't. I don't really know how I say that. So, but yeah, I'm going to kill you. Yeah. I can't pronounce stuff, so I'm not going to try and pronounce it. How many tests do we need? Oh, what? I wrote test so many times I put a colon, semicolon, test. Oh, I'm so dumb. Okay, the bot is on, isn't it? Affihihoond. I don't know. Oh, and Discord's died. Oh no, Discord's alive. And it didn't like that. What did I do to fix this? How did I fix it? That's what I want to know. I'm not sure how I fixed it. I fixed it with concat, didn't I? Wait, let me see what managed to fix it. Was it this that fixed it? Did that fix it? That's my question. Okay. Yeah. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Kick. I'm gonna kick Squishling. No, I'm gonna kill Squishling, not kick. I might kick him later. But for now I'm just gonna kill him. It didn't even delete the message. Oh. This is why. Don't know why that is, but that's why. Punch, test, punch. Oh, I kicked him. Whoopsies. That's not what I meant to do. He'll be back. He's back. Okay, that's not what I meant to do. I apologise. I will just kill Maroon. At this point I don't even know what I'm typing. I'm just typing. Why doesn't it like this? I don't understand. Is it because I had was and then space? Like, I'm not entirely understanding how this is working. Yeah, who else should I kill? I could kill... Oh, I could kill Mr. Pineapple. Let's make sure it's kill, not kick. It is. I don't know. How did I fix this? How did I stop it from throwing this? Because it didn't throw it before. It just stopped throwing it. And I don't know how. I don't remember. Because I did it, and then I undid it. And I don't know how I undid it. We need this guy back. He was smart. he kind of knew what he was doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing. I'm trying to think why it wouldn't work. Because to me it seems like this would work. Maybe I could... Okay, I'm going to try something. But this is only because I'm now clueless. String... No, wait, that's not going to work. String... Hello. Wait, no, I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, and then hello. And then we put hello. No, because that's not going to work because it's created inside of there, of course. I didn't even think of that. Okay, so let me state what I want to actually do. So, what I want to happen is I want it so you okay. Let me get a text document so of what it will actually do. Okay, so you will type something like semicolon kill at 30 for example. And then you will put, I don't know, was killed by a microphone. Okay, and then that will basically print, or it will put to the chat, Turty Wurty was killed by a microphone. So that's what it will put, and that's what I'm trying to figure out how to get it to put. And I think I'm just being dumb, and that's probably more than likely. So I mean, this is quite important. That's basically what I want to do. Obviously it will delete this message and just print this message. But clearly, wait, let me just move this over so I can see. No, I don't think it is that. That doesn't seem to work, because that's basically what I put. I mean, yeah. Because you said message.add. But that's not right. Oh yeah, let me print what, yeah. Let me try that. Print reason. Oh my god. I genuinely just wrote print reason. Oh dear. Oh my god, okay. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Okay, I'm gonna have to end the stream in a second anyways, which is good. And I'll start streaming again in like half an hour. Okay. I'm just gonna kill Squishling. Test. Plum. Test. Did it print? Almost. It almost did. Huh. Okay, so was test plum test, and then yeah, okay, I will look at that later. But I'm gonna have to end the stream now, guys. So if you did enjoy the stream, then you know, please do be sure to thumbs up and stuff, and yeah. Yeah. So I'll see you guys then in the stream in about half an hour. I'm not gonna leave the stream running because I don't trust you people.